Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a private story on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a private story on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and from over here guys, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your Bitmoji icon or your profile icon. Tap on it, and from over here scroll down until you can find the My Stories option where it says the new private story. So guys, in order to make a private story, tap on new private story and choose the person with which you want to share that story and tap on create story. And you can rename your private story also if you want to, but we'll be tapping on save. And guys, you can see a group where it says My Stories, and add to My Stories, and the second one it says add to private story. So this private story we just created, and in order to make a private story, tap on that, and over here you will be able to make a private story on Snapchat either from camera, or let's go back, or from the camera roll, or from the memory. So let's tap it, and over here guys, we have made a private story on Snapchat. Now in order to share it to that private group, tap on the bottom right corner of your screen where it states your private story. Tap on it and it will be shared. And guys, this is how to make a private story on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.